Muhammad bin Qasim and the conquest of Sindh. Arab had tried to invade Sindh twice, but they were not successful as Sindh was far away from Arabia. In 712 Common Era, an Arab Muslim trader died in Sri Lanka. His family, along with their belongings, while coming back to their home in Arabia, were attacked and captured by pirates near the coast of Sindh. Hajjaj bin Yusuf, the Arab governor of Iraq, asked the ruler of Sindh, Raja Dahir, to deal with the pirates and send the family back safely. Raja Dahir refused and told him that the pirates were not his responsibility and he could not do anything about the situation. In retaliation, Hajjaj bin Yusuf sent an army under the command of his nephew Muhammad bin Qasim to attack Sindh. Muhammad bin Qasim was only 16 years when he defeated Raja Dahir at the port of Debel. Historians note that the major reason for Muhammad bin Qasim's victory was a novel anti-siege weapon called the catapult. The Arabs used 5 catapults to destroy the fortifications and weaken their defense. By 713 Common Era, the whole of Sindh had become a part of the Umayyads Caliphate. Muhammad bin Qasim was a fair and honest ruler who also conquered the heart of the local people. Due to his just and fair system of governance, the local people respected him and many accepted Islam of their own free will. Many ulama came to Sindh during Muhammad bin Qasim's rule. They brought the light of Islam to the region and introduced a culture of tolerance and equality that had not existed before in the region due to the Hindu caste system. As a result of religious teaching of these ulama, many local people accepted Islam. The Arabs introduced the Arabic language, which gave rise to new literature culture. The local Hindu people revered Muhammad bin Qasim.